Gold and silver, after the initial drop earlier in the day, have continued to trade with the moderate bullish bias, and now we have seen gold moving towards 2330 while silver has already seen 2750 levels. The resistance levels which we have discussed are proving out to be difficult for both the metals to break past by. So now what to expect, how to profit today trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. This is the second update for the day. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, see after the rise here, it is retraced here. It was trading bearish. It has come to retest the resistance zone here, as we have discussed several times earlier. 2330 2332 zone is what it needs to break in order to stay bullish. So far it is finding it difficult to break past beyond this zone. Thus we have to now wait for it to break beyond 2330 2332 zone in order to confirm the rise, and then we can look forward to 2340 42 zone as the next targets. Any point of time gold is staying beyond 2340 42 is a confirmation that it is trying to reverse here. Also, if you look at the rise here, see after the drop, it has retraced, higher highs are seen. It is trading in this bullish channel here. Now, on the downside, it has to break below 2324, 2320 zone. If these two levels are taken, then you can say now gold is reversing, and then I will look forward to 2314, 15 as the next support levels. But let's have a further look. See, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is flat. Stochastic is overbought here. Coming to 2 hours, on the 2 hour charts, you can see the bullishness getting diminished with these candles. You can see three candles diminishing body size, and this candle trying to start on a bullish note. But again, the resistance here is very strong, which it needs to break. That is around 2330 32, and then around 2335. So yes, this complete zone is going to play a critical role for gold today. If it breaks beyond this, you can say that it is turning bullish. Else it is right now it is staying within the zone, and a possibility of a reversal still exists strong. If you look at MACD, this is divergent and bullish. RSI is flat. Stochastic has come to overbought levels. Coming to 3 hour, if you look at 3 hour charts, likewise see stronger rise retracement. It is trying to rise, but the bullishness has definitely diminished here. Right now what we can see is higher lows. It is trying to rise. Thus if it breaks beyond 2330 32, you can say that possibly the bullish momentum may continue. But looking at the preceding candle, it appears that the momentum is definitely it requires a lot much of a strong push on the upside to break beyond first 30-32 zone and then 35-36 zone. If these two levels are taken, then you can say that definitely a stronger rise is awaited here in gold, and then it is going to be a series of bullish candles. Right now it is trying to stabilize within the zone here. MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising. Stochastic has come to overbought levels here. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour chart, say increasing body size. This candle coming with a bigger tail suggests that there was a stronger push. It is closed some of the trades here, and it is now trying to be on the upward track. But see, increasing body size and the resistance zone, thus it is very important for it to stay beyond this. Also now what it has done, it has just moved closer towards 20 period moving average, achieving the 20 period moving average. Also it can try to reach. So as we have discussed several times earlier, that as long as now 28 23 40 42 zone is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bullish. It is very important for gold to now break beyond 23 40 42 zone, and if and only if it stays about 23 40 42 zone, we can say that it has turned bullish, and then I will look forward to close to 2350 levels, and then 2360 62 is also possible. MACD here crossing over at the bottom, trying to trade with divergence and bullishness, looking upwards. RSI rising, stochastic rising, signs of bullishness here. Coming to daily charts now. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting first week of May. Register yourself now. In this batch, we share all the concepts, tools, trading strategies, and the trade setups, with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades and trends with ease, such that you can trade profitably. So do not miss this journey. Join, register now today itself, or else you can be part of our signals channel. We are trading as per the signals you can benefit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. And those who ask me to recommend a broker which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Join through the link and you will get the lowest spreads on offer. Now coming to the daily chart, see on the daily charts right now what we can see earlier in the day we have seen it delivering lower highs, lower lows here. Now look at the preceding two candles, higher highs were seen. So higher highs, lower lows, where is the spread? This also makes 23, 40, 42 zone as a greater resistance zone, because see this is a swing zone which it needs to break in order to confirm the bullishness here if it has to reverse. Now look at the preceding three candles. Definitely diminishing body size is one concern which suggests that there could be a possible reversal, as prices have now stabilized at around the 20 period moving average. But on the other hand, you must look at right now what it is done. Lower highs are done. Now from the lower highs, it can continue here on the downside, and thus there are two critical resistances which it needs to break now on the downside. First, if you see it is staying below 23.24 now, you can take a sell and take 23.24. Be careful at around 23.18.20 and then 23.14.15 levels. If these two levels are, then you can say possibly gold is showing a reversal, and then I will wait for 23.8 levels, and then 2300 should be breached, below which you can say that the bears will take over towards 2290, 2282, and then 2274 levels. But right now it is looking upwards. Right now it is not showing any signs of bearishness. However, as long as the highs here are not taken, we should not be treating gold as bullish as well. What has happened yesterday, achieving the higher highs, it has reversed. Again today also achieving higher highs, it can reverse. There is still scope for it. Why? Look at the MACD. This has crossed over at the top. It is still trading with divergence. It is still looking downwards, and there is lot much of room for it to stay on the downside. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone and stochastic hitting at the bottom. So looking at this, sell at 23.24 and buy at 23.32. If you are buying at 23.32, be careful at 23.36 and then 23.40.42, beyond which I will look forward to close to 23.50 levels. And if it breaks beyond 23.50, the bulls will take over there, and we can look forward to 23.62 and higher levels, which are also possible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 23.24, below which you can expect 23.18.20, 23.14.15, 23.08, and then below 23.08. This time I will be looking forward to a move below 2300 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now this silver on the hourly chart, you can see the rise here. It is stayed sideways, it is retraced here, and now trying to look upwards again. It is trying to trade bullish certainly, with higher lows and higher highs is what we can see here. But there are definitely good great resistances here in between 27, 40, 60 zone. So if and only if now it stays beyond 27.40 and 27.60 zone, we can say that silver has turned bullish. Now if you look at the hourly chart, see the rise here, slight retracement, again trying to bounce back. And we know that 27.50 and 27.60 are two levels it needs to break, beyond which more bullish momentum will be seen, which can take the prices in fact towards 27.75.80 and in fact towards $28 level. So at the current zone, we have to be very careful. It has to certainly stay above 27.50 and 60 in order to stay bullish. See MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising, stochastic is near to overbought levels here. Coming to 2-hour chart. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, rise, retracement, and again it is on the journey of on the upside. Right now looking upwards, it appears that it may try to move towards 27.70.80, but again as I said, 27.50 levels first resistance, 27.60 the next, and then 27.75.80. If these three levels are taken, then we can say that silver is turning bullish. Right now it appears that it is going to get a very strong resistance there on the upside. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising, stochastic overbought here. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, likewise it appears, see one bullish candle, sideways candle, current candle can be equally big, which also means that yes, it is started from 27.10 to 27.40, and now it is started from 27.35, so it can try to move towards 27.60 or 70 levels, possibilities there. But only buying entry I will recommend if you see now silver is staying above 27.50 levels, above which you can say it is turning bullish. But then also 27.60, 27.75, 80 zone, and there are greater resistances as long as 28 is there. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising, stochastic back to overbought levels. Coming to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, you can see this candle is important. It has come with the bigger tail. Now after that we have seen it bullishness here, but right now current candle is still delivering lower highs. So yes, though it is appearing to be bullish, but I will wait for it to break on the upside beyond 27.50 levels. When you see the lower prices above 27.50, that will confirm that it is trying to deliver a stronger bullish candle on the upside. Else what may happen, it can again reverse from these levels. The possibility is strong, and thus if you see it reversing, where you should, I will recommend a sell entry at 2720 levels. Below 2720 is where you can expect slight bearishness. MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI rising, stochastic is rising as well. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts right now, we have seen lower highs, lower lows are done, higher highs can be seen, which means 27 60 70 zone. Achieving those levels also, prices might reverse. Remember, it can show you swings. What we have seen yesterday can be replicated today, and if it breaks on the downside below $27 levels, you can say the bears will be welcoming there, and then they are just waiting for it to crash further if it draws below 27 today. So yes, you can take a sell and trade 2720 and wait for 27 levels to be breached. Once you see the higher prices below 27.20, you can take a sell, wait for $27 levels to be taken, and if it drops below 27 and 26.80 levels, you can say there is going to be a sharper fall which can take the prices towards 26.50, $26 levels, 26.20 levels. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry at 27.50 levels. If you see the higher prices above 27.50, you can initiate a buying entry. You can look forward to 2775, 2780 as the potential target, and beyond that $28 levels. As long as 28 is not taken, prices are not to be turned or treated as bullish. It can reverse again. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries related to the services. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do like, share, and comment. Do watch the everyday first update with the Asia and Europe session. Do not miss that. That sets the direction for the day. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates as well. Thank you.